Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be making vegan meringues. So to do this we're going to be using chickpea water, also known as Aquafaba. I'm probably not pronouncing it right, but you know, there's only 2 ingredients, so let's take a look. So to do this we're going to be using a tin of chickpea water. It's about 125 mils and 125 grams of caster sugar. So if you've ever made meringues before, there is a chance that they can either go really well or they just flop and don't do anything. So it's very important that your bowls and your mixers and your trays are nice and clean, there's no grease on them or anything. If you follow the recipe carefully, fingers crossed this should work out. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is line your baking trays, and again remember there's no grease on them anywhere. It has to be completely clean, okay? Next we're going to put our liquids, our chickpea water, into a mixing bowl. Remember, it has to be nice and clean. Glass bowls are better than plastic ones for this. This next step can take quite a while, about 20 minutes. Now, unlike eggs, you can't overmix it. So to test when it's ready, you're going to take your bowl and you're going to move it, and you can tip it upside down if you want, but be careful. If you move it a little bit and it slides, it's not ready, keep going. If you can take it and turn it upside down, if you're brave, then it's ready. So it's time to start mixing. We're going to test it, and if it moves, it's not ready. Oh, there we go. It's ready. Now, if yours isn't ready yet, keep going. If it doesn't look like this at all, if it's still liquid, then we're going to add the sugar now. We're going to do a tablespoon at a time, mixing between each one. So we'll add a bit of sugar, and we'll mix. And we'll add another tablespoon. Mix it again and keep going until you've added all your tablespoons. You can either pipe your meringue onto the trays or you can just spoon it on. It's up to you, however you want the end product to look. I'm just going to be spooning mine on. So it's nice and thick and shiny. You can't really see that on here, but there we go, ready to go in for the scary part now. When you put them in the oven, there is the chance of them just going completely wrong, which we're hoping is not going to happen today. And there we go, they're all done. Nice and hard and crispy. Now if you've never had these before, you might be thinking, what are they going to taste like? Are they going to taste like chickpeas? And the answer is no. They'll taste like sugar.
So we're going to cook them for about an hour and 15 minutes, but keep an eye on them. Do not open the oven door. That's very important. If after the timer is done they don't look quite ready yet,
nice crunch to them.
Give them a little bit longer, but keep an eye on them again.
Nice.
To test when they're ready, you're going to take them out, and if they lift off the paper really easily, that means they're done.
These are so good. Be nice with some strawberries as well. Hopefully yours worked out as well. Leave a comment below if you had any problems, or if they did, or to let me know that they did work out well. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like or rating if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to see more recipes, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.